Welcome back, all my legends. This is the end of the week recap of last week. If you guys saw my recent video on my $100 challenge, today's video is a recap of what happened last week and what I'm going to do moving forward to the next week, okay? So I'm going to show you guys my accounts and I should break through what happened and just very briefly. I don't want to make this video too long, but if you guys are new to this channel, what I do is basically I'm showing you guys my mistakes, my success from the bottom to the top. Because like I said, a lot of YouTube videos, channels, I see they just when they start becoming having results, then they start showing you the results, and it makes us think like, man, like we want it tomorrow, we want it overnight. Okay, so I just want to document it from the beginning to show you guys that it doesn't happen overnight, and just showing you guys the steps, basically. Okay, so if you like what you see, hit the subscribe. If you don't, hit the dislike so I can have some feedback on what you guys like, what you guys don't like, and comment down below. Okay, so I'll show you guys my first account. Like I said, these are the demo account for last week. So the first account I'll show you guys. Sadly, I didn't blow it, but my leverage was too low, so it didn't let me trade anymore when I reached $38. So I created a new account. Okay, so with this account right here, let me show you guys. Started with $100 demo again, like I said. Let me see if it can focus. Focus. There it is. So I was trading and I was doing good. And then I was doing good. You can see here I did barely have any losses. And my loss right here, uh, my mistake right here is I kept moving back the stop loss. One thing I said is don't do that, because when you first set up that stop loss, you did it because it was logical, right? It was the logical place to put it. And what I did was I moved it through emotion. Like, oh, I can't lose all this profit. I'm gonna keep moving it. When my confirmations already went, like I said, if it passes here, it's gonna go. It's gonna go for a buy, okay? And when it reached there, I did not do what I said. Messed up on the rule. So like I said, discipline, which is one thing I didn't have right there in that trade. Try to get some better view. Yeah, but anyways, majority of the one that lost, I was a little bit too confident, thinking that I can do it, and I did not. I was not able to with that account. So that account went to $38 left in demo. So I'm okay. You know what? I need to step back. So I created the new account because I'm trading the leverage of 1 to 100. So they'll let me trade that first account. That's why they didn't let me trade anymore. My second account, I'll just show you guys the end result real quick. And this after this account, you're here 300. I don't know why it's not even focusing. There you go. Oh, I just need to put it closer. 329 and 21 dollars. So I can't even read numbers. So $100 started at $100, and with this account, you guys can see here, started at $100. Started at $100, and then this is crazy. I don't even know. I don't do this enough. Okay, whatever. But I started at $100, and then I was able to turn it into $300 in about 3 days. So I tripled my account. I profited $221. And then the magic happened on that Friday. I opened a live account. And this is where the fun happens, all right? So with this account, I'm not just randomly trading. Every trade that I enter, I understand why I entered, why I exited. I put out some notes on it. I'm not just randomly entering, hoping for the best, of course. But I understand why I exited, why I entered, and so forth. Okay, so this was my real account. As you guys know, if you guys ever went from a demo into a live account, even though you're successful in a demo account, when you go into a live account, you're gonna know that your emotions play more into it. Okay, so like when I was in demo, I was confident. When I went to live, I was too confident at the same time. But at the same time, I had more emotions into it. Even though it was $100 account, just because when you play demo, there's not much more emotions to it. But when I went live, you guys can see here, this is my live account right here. Let me block my code, or my account number is live here. Okay, so when I went live, I was able to. I need to learn how to focus this. Anyways, I'll just talk about it. So I deposited $100, but it was a Bitcoin it was a Bitcoin deposit, so it went to $98, but it's fine. But I really don't want to do that because when I start depositing a lot of money, 2% on your account is, if you do 1,000, you're gonna lose $20. So 10,000 is $200. It's gonna add up, but I'm not there yet. So, anyways, I started it. Right here, you can see here I'm dropping, hit a lot of stop losses. Uh, I didn't let my trade go. This is the same mistake I made in my demo right here, letting it keep going. Didn't let it stop. You can see here, so losing, losing, losing. What is it here? I deposited. Is this even the right month? Yeah. So I deposited $70 because I lost it to $30. Deposited a 70, go back to 100. Lost another big trade here. These trades I lost, I was not following my confirmations. And I don't know why when you go live, something about it makes you, your psychology. They say that trading is 80% psychology and 20% technical. So I felt that for sure. If you guys haven't seen my video on when I lost $500, it was probably like 2 years ago, 1 or 2 years ago. And those rules are still something I need to work on for sure. Okay, so I deposited another 50, lost another 20, and right here, when I won the $10 right here, this is when my mindset is like, dude, why am I overcomplicating it? Like, dude, go back to the basics, review your notes on why you were winning on your demo, how you tripled it. And that's exactly why I was able to win this 100 pips right here on NAS 100. And then on this NAS 100, if I left it, the confirmation would have been right, but it was consolidating, so I didn't want to risk it, and the market was about to close. So I just like, okay, forget it. I'm just gonna take my profit of 12 pips. So I left it at that. But so overall, my deposit is 218, and I've lost profit 114. My balance is at 103 right now. But this week, I'm hoping for, I will have a good week. Good affirmations, okay? So I'm gonna trade when the London and New York opens session opens. So 6:30 a.m. Pacific time. I'm in California, so Pacific time. And I'm gonna review my notes today, review back my trades, why I won, why I lost, and understand what I need to do. Okay. So if we talking about the challenge, yes, I lost the challenge of $100. I blew the account already, but you know what? It was $114 lesson. Okay, yes, I lost the money, but I got a good lesson. Now I'm gonna keep sticking to my $100 account because I'm because now I want to master the emotions behind trading now. Okay, so I want to put into work, understand my emotions, and that's about it for this video. If you guys liked it, you guys want to keep up with my account, please hit the subscribe button, comment down questions below. Majority of this trading is more, I'll say, the moving averages and support and resistance, and understanding what support and resistance is the strongest. Okay, so if you guys haven't seen my other videos, I also showed a little bit of my technique of my strategy, so go check those videos out. But thank you guys for watching. Hit the subscribe button, hit the like, and I can't wait to come back with you guys this week. Good or bad news, I'm coming on. I'm showing you guys the good results and the bad results, okay? I'll see you guys.